y'all, welcome to Kim's Farmhouse Life. Today, you're going to watch a video of me cleaning my boys' room. Right now, it looks great and marvelous. It's so clean. But when you watch this video, you will see it was a disaster. My 9-year-old and my 14-year-old share a room. And my 9-year-old loves tractors, trailers, semis, and the bigger the better. So today in this video, I'm going to be cleaning and organizing the room. Also, I'm very excited to say that I'm doing my first... Are you serious? I'm excited to announce that I'm doing my first collab video. I was contacted on Instagram by a very nice lady who goes by the name Southern Belle. Her name is Destiny. She's a 21-year-old mother of a 2-year-old daughter. She lives in South Carolina and she's new to YouTube, just getting started. She is planning to do cleaning motivation videos, cooking, day in the life. I'm very excited to see her channel grow, and so I'm gonna put a link to her channel down below. So y'all go check her out and show her some love, and let's get started. Okay, y'all, here is the boys' room. It's a mess. We've got clothes piled up on a chair over here that has been pulled out of the closet that they can't fit. We've got, their shelves are messed up. I mean, there's toys all over the floor. It is a mess. It is time to get this room in order. I need to pull off the sheets and wash those and the blankets. It is just a mess. Okay, I have, like I said before, a 9-year-old and a 14-year-old who are sharing the same room. I recently redid their room. We painted, and my husband built shelves on the wall, made them a desk to try to give them more storage. And it's kind of hard because my 14-year-old is not really into toys anymore, but then my 9-year-old is. So it's like trying to make the room work for both boys can be a challenge. And right here, I'm finding all kinds of stuff. I kept finding granola bars. Granola bars were in these backpacks. My little nephews come over, and the boys, they like to get those backpacks, and they put all kinds of stuff. There was BBs everywhere and granola bars. That's what I was holding up a little bit ago. I think I ended up with probably 6 or 7 granola bars. Okay, I have a question. Do y'all enjoy the cleaning videos with music only, or do you like the voiceovers? Just curious on what everybody likes. I myself enjoy hearing voiceovers. I'm not saying that the person should have to talk the entire video, and that's where I have trouble. Sometimes I feel like, okay, should I talk more, or am I talking too much? So I'm just curious, what do y'all prefer? Okay, like I said earlier, my husband built these shelves and this desk. I love them. I wish I had another place in the house where I could have a desk like this with shelves. It has really become a lifesaver. Now the boys each, the left side is my youngest son's little spot, and the right side is my oldest son's. So they really enjoy it, and I do too. And here is a lot of my youngest son's toys, all of his semis and trucks and things. He has so many that we have to keep them underneath the bunk bed. You will see in a minute I have to literally climb underneath there and get everything out so that I can get it organized. But yeah, oops, there I go. And the funny thing is, my youngest is already making his Christmas list. He was on Amazon looking at more tractors and more balers, and yeah, he is so funny. When he grows up, he wants to be a farmer and yeah, have cows and drive a semi to haul his cows and have his tractors. And so yeah, he definitely is 100% boy, and he's all country. Here is the finished room. It is all done. It looks so nice. The beds are made, which is something that doesn't happen every day in my boys' room. But anyways, I just feel like it looks so much better, and I hope that y'all will get some motivation today to maybe tackle a room in your house that is a total mess like the boys' room was. I hope that y'all will subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and hey, leave me a comment. I love reading the comments, and I try to reply back to as many as I can. But thank y'all again so much for watching, and I really hope y'all have a great day.